Now that your business is verified, the next step is to create your Bujeti corporate account. This will be your main operational account, and you can create sub-accounts under it or link your existing business bank account to it. It is more like the engine that will power you to fund budgets, sub-accounts for your team requests, process payments, and reconcile them across your operations. That said, let me show you how to create your Bujeti corporate account.
From your dashboard, navigate to Accounts section from the menu bar. Click on Add an account. Choose Create Account from the drop-down. Fill in the required details such as account name, which is your preferred name for the account. Select your preferred bank from our partner bank. Choose the type of account you wish to create. Then click on Create Account. Your new account is instantly set up and ready to use. You can now create multiple sub-accounts under it to organize your finance effectively. With this account, you can now process payments, control spending, and manage every transaction in one place.
Now, log in and create your Bujeti corporate account.